Hey everybody, welcome back. Melissa here. So today I just wanted to show off this pendant here. It is quite big, but I don't really wear it as jewelry. It's more of an ornament. But what I really wanted to show you is this design I found way back in 2008. So in 2007, I acquired this awesome clear quartz. It's about 60 carats. The cullet on it is so deep and it's so sharp. Right in here, if you can see, that edge is so sharp. I wanted to wrap it just to protect it. I didn't want to keep it in a, I think it just came in a bag, but I didn't want to keep it in one of those gemstone boxes. I mean, I wanted to show it off somehow. I made it into a pendant. It's really heavy. It's not like it can be worn as a pendant, but I do keep it on display like it shows and stuff, because I really think it's cool. Laser cut. It's just an awesome stone. But I wanted to show you guys how I made this. That cullet is so deep, it's like I was gonna, if I was gonna wrap the sides, it would take so much square sterling silver. It still takes a lot, but not as much. I didn't know what I was gonna do with this stone way back when. There wasn't much YouTube and stuff back then to look for tutorials. So I came across this blog by Carol Ladine. She was a wire wrapper and I liked her style, so I would, you know, go through her stuff, kind of see how she did things. And I came across this pendant that she made. It wasn't this design. The overall design of the pendant was totally different, but she wrapped a giant faceted stone, and I saw a side view and it was jacked up. Obviously it was a deep stone, so that's what I need to do with this one. I only had a couple pictures that she posted. I went to her blog and thanked her for her design, and I was going to use it in this design, and I was going to post it on my blog and give her props for it. So she was really appreciative. So I wanted to show you guys her design. I made this back in 2008. I'm going to just show you what I did. So if you want me to make a tutorial, just let me know in the comments. But for now, I'll show you the whole thing. I used 7 pieces of wire. It looks like it's about 18 gauge. Obviously pretty long. 3 pieces I used for the bottom. The 4th one up, I put the waves in it to jack this up to protect the cullet. And then so the next 2 wires come up, and I make a basket weave with those. I mean, I don't know if you're interested in the top and what I did up here, but as far as this is concerned, yeah, I've got 2 more wires, and then this top wire here, I made the prongs. So I just couldn't say enough about it. I was raving about how excited I was to learn this design and wrap this stone, get it protected. But man, this is a big stone. So the cullet itself is about 12 millimeters. No, actually it's 17 millimeters. 17 millimeters deep, 24 millimeters wide, 33 millimeters down. So this is a huge gemstone, 60 carats. I'll just slowly show it to you and you can get a feeling for what I did. I mean, that's how I learned. I just looked, but like I said, let me know in the comments if you want me to do this from scratch. I haven't done one since, I think I did one since then, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, this one comes up for the base of the front. Top 2 wires form a little basket weave. The 3rd wire from the top forms a little base, and my swirls attached to it. These bottom ones come up and form the bail and the swirls. I was so excited to see this design. I mean, oh my gosh, that's exactly what this stone needs. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know in the comments. what you think. And if you want more, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. And I'll see you next week. Have a good one.